Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a course from your SoloLearn application account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the SoloLearn application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the Learn page, from which you can start learning various different courses that you have added. Now, if you wish to remove any course from your courses section, just click on the drop-down menu at the top alongside your currently selected course. This will now show you all of your available courses that you have added. From here, click on Discover All Courses, and now you will see all of the courses that have been added within your account on the My Courses section. Just click on the three dots alongside any course that you wish to remove, and then click on the Remove button. This will now be removed from your courses section right away. And you can do this with all of the courses that you wish to remove right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove courses from your Learn section on the SoloLearn application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.